Today we have a video from 50 Police Body Cam, and the title of the video is Fatigued Officer Face Palms Outside Casino.
So you're not here for me, you're here for them.
No, I'm speaking with
No,
you.
you're not speaking. You are not speaking for me.
I'm not speaking for you.
No,
Right?
you are
I'm
not speaking for me. And you are not here for me.
Okay, then what can we do for you?
You can't do nothing for me. I didn't ask you to come here.
Okay, but you're intoxicated and it sounds like they just want you to leave the property.
And I'm trying to leave the property.
Okay, that's perfectly fine. Then
Let me leave the property.
Okay, are you going to get an Uber?
Yeah, I was trying to get an Uber, but they wouldn't even let me get an Uber.
Ma'am, if you're going to get an Uber, then we'll wait with you, and that's it, okay?
So, casino.
What's up?
We're pushing the grab on next.
Listen, I'm grabbing on that?
This is one of the leads, right? Yeah.
Okay. Well, she said she's going to get an Uber, and then just give her space, and she could grab an Uber. Okay. No, you're just...
And you're going to say sorry to them. You're going to excuse them for their behavior.
No, they said that they did not want to be
you
here.
just excuse them for their behavior. Are you really going to do that right now? You're going to excuse them for their behavior. And you know what they doing is wrong.
What are they doing?
No, you know what they doing is wrong. Don't do that. And you know that. No.
Let's just get an Uber.
No, I don't want an Uber. I don't want nothing from you.
Okay.
I don't have to.
You want to speak with somebody else?
I don't have to do anything unless you're gonna Uber me to my apartment right now.
Where do you live?
Downtown. Are you gonna Uber me to my apartment downtown right now?
You could get you a train for you to take it over.
No. Are you gonna Uber me to my
We're
apartment
not,
downtown?
but you can't be on the property.
Okay. Well then, I'm gonna leave the property. I'm gonna leave the property.
Okay. As long as you leave the property and you don't come back,
Okay.
that's completely fine.
But you're not gonna stop here and do this right now.
Ma'am, we just want you to leave the property. That's all it is.
Because I've been kicking their ass tonight, and I've been winning. And now I have to leave the property.
How did that happen?
Are you really asking me that question right now?
Yeah.
Are you really asking me that question right now?
Yes.
Do you really... Maybe you should ask yourself that question right now.
Okay. So,
I want you to ask yourself that question right now.
Okay.
Don't ask me no question. I want you to ask yourself that question. And I want you to ask yourself that question right now.
trying to be reasonable with you. They just want you to leave.
No. I've been reasonable to leave the property before now. But I want you all to ask yourself that question right now.
So, ma'am, this is how things work, okay?
I am leaving the property.
Well, you're still talking to us, okay? I don't want to yell at you.
Hi, I'm not going to yell at you.
So,
otherwise, you could call.
You're going to get in the cab and leave.
If I gotta leave in the cab and leave.
Citation.
I don't give a f***. And they gonna get a citation too.
You get a citation if you refuse to leave.
I don't give a f*** if they get a citation too.
Ma'am, we're trying to reason with
Okay.
you, right?
So you need to
No,
get
you're not trying to reason with me.
You need to get into a waiting cab.
Are you guys actually doing this with me
Do
right
not
now?
leave. You're going to get a citation.
Are you actually doing this with me right
Yes, you're an
now?
adult, and I'm not playing games with you.
I'm
Okay?
not playing
So
games
let's
with you
walk over to
either.
your cab and get
I
in
am
it.
not playing games with you
Otherwise,
either.
we're going to get your ID and issue
I'm
you a
gonna get
citation.
your ID and I'm gonna
Yeah,
issue
you
you a
have to-
citation.
I'm telling you,
Everything's being recorded.
You have to
Okay?
leave.
You need to get in the cab and leave right now.
You know what? I don't want to do nothing.
Okay, you're not
I'm gonna give you my ID.
Okay, I need your ID.
And y'all get the fuck out my
your ID.
motherfucking way. And get the fuck out my motherfucking
Your ID
way.
now.
And I want their motherfucking IDs on record too.
Okay, I need your ID.
I need their IDs on
It
record.
doesn't work
Understand,
like
but it
that.
doesn't work that way.
No, you don't tell me.
I
It
know
don't
I
work
I
like
am
that.
telling you that's not how it works.
I need your ID.
No, see, you
You're giving us your ID.
If you don't give me your ID, you're going to be obstructed, okay? I need your
You
ID.
gonna be obstructed.
Stop.
Give me
multiple chances.
Okay, I'm giving you. Give me their ID so I can take pictures.
No.
No. You
not
not
how
gonna
this
sit up here
works.
and tell
Stop.
me
I'm
they
gonna
gonna
ask you
take
one
me
more time.
out my ID.
You give me your ID or
And
you
they
give me
gonna
your
take my
name.
ID.
Give me your ID or you give me your name.
I'm gonna give you my ID. I'm gonna give you my name. And
That's
I'm
all.
gonna give you my name. And I'm gonna do all that.
Now you're under arrest. You see what you did? I give you multiple chances. Put your hands behind your back or you're going to be resisting.
That ain't even necessary.
It's not. It wasn't that serious.
You can't even speak, so just be quiet.
Back home. And my baby's at home. Well, that ain't even necessary.
It wasn't. I think that we were fairly reasonable with you.
I was fairly
Put your
reasonable with
finger in
you.
our face. Yes.
I was fairly reasonable with y'all.
No, you were not.
I was fairly
No,
reasonable
you
with
are.
y'all.
Now you're being
I was
arrested.
fairly reasonable
No,
with
you
y'all.
are.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop,
Yeah.
stop moving.
Get the ID. Get the ID.
Oh, we will.
Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it, baby. Check it.
No,
Yeah,
we're done.
check it. Yeah, check it, baby. Check it. Yeah, IDPH. Yeah.
No, it's too late now.
Yeah, check it, baby. Check
Yeah.
it. Check
All
all
right.
that shit. Check all that shit. Check all that shit, baby. Check all that shit, baby. Yeah, do what you need to do.
And drunk people are funny, man. This was just so unnecessary. So unnecessary, but she's so wasted she can't even comprehend what's going on, man. Simply get an Uber, get a cab, go about your business. A lot of times casinos have buses and shuttles or whatever. Get a bus, shuttle, whatever the case may be. Just go anywhere. Go get. Just get. Go on, man. Go on, man. Go about your business. We don't want to have to get you together. And you know how them female cops be when they got a female suspect, man. Go on, man. The cops were pretty chill, man. But once she started to get in the guy face and then the female cop stepped in front of her or in front of him, hold up. Yada, yada. I said, oh. Watch, I'ma run it like watch. You ain't even peeped that. She tried to get at the guy and the female cop stepped right in front like as if that was her man. She said, hold up. Yo, watch. Hold on. Now that I said it, we gonna run it back. Watch this. Watch this.
Give me multiple chances.
Okay, I'm giving you, give me the ID so I can take pictures.
No.
No. You're
not
not
how
gonna
this
sit up here
works.
and tell me
I'm
they
gonna
gonna
ask you
take
one
me
more
off
time.
my ID.
You give me your
They
ID or you
gonna
give
take
me
my
your
ID.
name. Give me your ID or you give me your name.
She stepped in front of him like that was her. You ain't about to yell at my man. Hold on, we about to. Yeah. You know how them lady cops give it up, man. She protecting her man. That's what Shy think, man. That's what he think. She protecting her man.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
too late now.
Yeah, check it, baby.
Yeah.
Check it. Check
All
all
right.
that shit. Check all that shit. Check all that shit, baby. Check all that shit, baby. Yeah, do what you need to do.
We are.
Yeah, do what you need to do. Yeah, do what you need to do.
Okay.
Yeah, do what you need to do. Do what you need to do. Do what you need to do. Do what you need to do.
Good.
Yeah, do what you need to do.
Okay, we're gonna walk to the
Yeah,
car now.
do what you need to do. Do what you need to do.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
You look silly.
Yeah, you look silly, motherfucker.
Okay.
Yeah.
The motherfucker you should be arrested, you ain't arrested.
No, we arrested
The
the right one.
pedophiles, you ain't arrested.
We
You ain't arrested.
arrested the
The
right.
motherfucker you sitting up here doing bullshit too, you doing bullshit too. Y'all motherfuckers are stupid as f***.
Face the car.
Yeah,
Spread your legs.
Face the
Spread your
car and
legs.
spread your motherfucking legs to the
Again.
Yeah,
You're gonna get
lick
in the car.
this
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Yo, never did she say lick this kitty cat, man. Oh my goodness. This is insane. This lady is nuts. She said, no, you spread your legs and lick this kitty cat. Oh, wow.
bullshit too. Y'all motherfuckers are stupid as f***.
Face the car.
Yeah,
Spread your legs.
Face the
Spread
car
your
and
legs.
spread your motherfucking legs to the
again, you're
Yeah,
gonna get
lick
another charge.
this lick this
No, thank you. No, thank you.
lick this foot,
Thank you.
lick this
Making things
Grow
lick
up.
this foot,
Grow up.
lick this
Okay?
foot, motherfucker. What you talking about? Lick this foot.
No, thank you.
Yeah, lick this foot, motherfucker.
No, thank you.
Yeah, lick this foot, motherfucker. Don't spread my legs, motherfucker, unless you wanna lick this foot, motherfucker. Don't spread these legs unless you wanna lick this foot.
No, thanks.
Well, obviously you do.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely you do.
You wouldn't be the first.
Absolutely you do. You do. You do. You do. Y'all motherfuckers is fucked up.
Okay.
Y'all doing shit to the wrong motherfucker.
All right.
That shit is fucked up.
Stop trying to move your legs.
Ain't nobody trying to move that
You
ass,
are.
motherfucker. You can like this all between.
We're not gonna do this.
I ain't trying to do this. I ain't trying to move my legs. Why you doing all that? You doing all that extra for nothing. What you doing all that extra for nothing? You doing all that extra for nothing.
Okay.
Ain't nobody doing no extra for nothing. You doing the extra for nothing. What for what? You doing the extra for what, baby?
Stop.
What?
We're not gonna do this.
You doing the extra for what? You doing the extra for what? I'm sorry, for what?
Because you're acting like a child.
Oh, now I'm acting like a child. Oh, I'm acting like a child.
Yes.
You motherfuckers is acting like childs.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. We're gonna get in the seat. We're gonna put a seatbelt on you.
Oh, great. Oh, great.
Listen to me. If you
Oh,
touch
great.
me or
I don't
strike
give a
me,
fuck
you're
what
gonna
the
get
fuck you
charged. All
gonna
right?
do.
Get in the car.
I don't give a fuck what you gonna
Go
do.
ahead.
I don't give a fuck what you gonna do. I will strike you, charge you, and nothing else. And guess what? It's gonna be nothing different, motherfucker. And so
I don't know
what?
what any of that means. So,
Yeah, that's what I said too.
all right.
And what? What the difference is that gonna mean? And what is
You're not
that gonna
making
mean?
sense.
The suspect was aged 47 at the time of this arrest. She was charged with criminal trespass to real property as a Class B misdemeanor and with resisting or obstructing a peace officer, firefighter, or correctional employee as a Class A misdemeanor. Court proceedings involving the suspect are ongoing at the time of this production. Now, what do you think?
Some people are funny. Drunk people are funny, I should say. Unbelievable, man. She Cops did the right thing, man. That's all I gotta say, man. They get a 5. They tried to de-escalate. Get the Uber, whatever. You know, she ain't want to do it, man. They tried. That's all they can do is try, man. If you don't want to get along with the protocol, okay. Spend the night in jail. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.